Hi, friend. I'm teacher Shelby, and this is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. I have a new video for you tonight. It's Friday night for me in the United States. It's the weekend, and I have a very dark camera setup. I want to just speak to you and give you a calm English lesson that you can listen to. So, if you are studying English or even just relaxing tonight, this video is for you. I am going to share how I would study English if I were starting today from zero in a realistic, stress free way. You don't need to take notes. You don't need to understand every word I say. No, no, no. Just relax and listen. First, here is a different way to think about English. If I were learning English today, if I were starting my English language journey today, the first thing I would change is how I think about learning. I would not try to be perfect. I would not try to learn everything at once, at one time. No, no, no. My goal would not be perfect grammar or perfect pronunciation. No, my goal would be communication, simple English, real English, the kind of English people use when they're tired or busy or sick, because this is real life English, not English from a test or English from school. Let's speak real English together. Today, I have 3 tips for you to help you on your English journey. Tip number 1 is daily listening. Daily listening practice. If I were starting today, I would listen to English every single day. Not studying, just listening, like YouTube videos or podcasts or English playing in the background all throughout your day, or English in your headphones all the time. Even if I only understood a little bit or half, I would keep listening, continue to listen. I would remind myself my brain is learning, even when I don't think so, or even when I don't understand 100%. Listening like this helps your brain relax, and relaxed brains, they learn better. Daily listening is so important. Now, tip number 2 is speaking without pressure or speaking without stress. No pressure, no stress. But I would start speaking English early, but no stress, no pressure. I would not wait until I felt ready to speak English. No, you need practice speaking now, even if you do not feel ready or you do not feel confident. Talk to yourself. I would talk to myself in English out loud or in my mind, or I would repeat sentences, repeat English sentences, repeat English vocabulary, repeat English phrases and expressions from videos. I might say, oh, today was long. You repeat, today was a long day. Or, I'm tired. I'm tired today. You repeat the phrase. Or, I am learning English. I am learning English. Repeat and repeat out loud. Speak English, even if it's only to yourself when you are alone. That's okay. And making mistakes, this is part of the process to learn a language. It is not something to fear or to make you afraid. No, it's just something normal. So, no stress, no pressure, but please, please practice speaking right now. Now, tip number 3, the final tip, the last tip for you tonight. I want to give you a simple, cozy, easy study routine. You can do it. Now, I want to start with a simple routine to learn English. I would try 10 minutes of listening. 10 minutes of listening, like videos, like YouTube, podcasts, or conversations with subtitles, with English subtitles. 10 minutes of listening. And then I would try 10 minutes of speaking. Yes, repeating phrases, repeating vocabulary, talking out loud to myself or maybe to another person if I feel comfortable, if I feel confident. But 10 minutes of speaking. Lastly, 10 minutes of learning. 10 minutes of learning, like new words, new vocabulary, new expressions, or if you like grammar, 10 minutes of learning new grammar, new verbs. That's it. 30 minutes a day. That's not too much, right? 10 minutes of listening, 10 minutes of speaking, and 10 minutes of learning something new. Now, 30 minutes, it may seem like, oh, that's too much. No, take a break from your phone for 30 minutes and practice English just 30 minutes before you go to sleep tonight. And if you have a very busy day, guess what? 10 minutes is enough. 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes is better than 0 minutes. Consistency, what you do every day, is so important. And consistency, even if it is only 10 minutes every day, this is the key to learning English. You can do it. Now, here is my final encouragement to you. If you are learning English, I want you to hear this. Listen, listen. You are not behind. You are not bad at English. You are not too late in life to learn English. You are not too dumb or unfocused. No, no, no. You can do it. You are learning, even slowly or quietly or only 10 minutes a day. You are learning English. Even listening to this video right now, it counts as practice. You can do this. It's not too late. Okay, thank you for spending a few quiet, calm minutes with me tonight. If you want, you can listen to this video again, listen to it later while you're resting or studying or even falling asleep. And let me know, tell me in the comments How many minutes a day do you want to study English? Is your goal the full 30 minutes? 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes learning something new? Or do you need a smaller goal, only 10 minutes a day? That's okay. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs a calm English lesson, a calm, quiet English practice. I hope you can use these 3 tips I gave you today. Don't forget to listen, don't forget to speak, and use that study routine. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. You can do it. This is your year. Start today. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Good night.